See, this is that JBL speaker, the speaker test. Just see how it sounds. On the side of this thing, you got the positive and the negative to turn up the volume, turn it down, and that what is it? The phone thing for the conference, the phone button for the conference calls. If you have a conference call. But let me show you the bass in this bad boy. This is on, oh my bad. There it is right here. This is some YG, by the way. 400. But let me turn it up. You know, it's not up that much, right? Watch when I turn this bad boy up. You're not gonna be able to hear me, dog. Watch the bass. I'm looking for a bad bitch that can do me, you know. Type you see in the movies. After I hit, I fade out in like 2 days. 200 miles on the dash. The work up in the truck, I'm on my way to the cash. I got a bad bitch driving, look like Stacey Dash. She ain't got a trip to Panamera, got a stash. Yeah, 100 pounds of that old wheel. Shit in Montana, my life is like a movie. YG, young veggie, got the group and I'm the plug, so we smoked up out of QP. Yeah, 7 grams all up in the blood. Pull 4 in the 20, now I'm drinking mud. I like my Sprite dirty and my bitches thick as fuck. You know the type of sucking pipe just to wake you up. Yeah, I've been ratchet since a young nigga. I went from rags to riches and built bricks out of crumbs, nigga. Yeah, and they say money is the motivation. I smoke an ounce a day even though I'm on probation. Yeah, that's it. You know, it gets pretty loud for 2 speakers that are really small. You know, they're about the size of a golf ball. I don't know the dimensions, but it gets pretty loud. This is actually blunted by YG. You know, I have to represent LA for one time. I'm not even from LA, but I like LA. But yeah, that's the speaker. The clarity's really good. Clear the basses. If I didn't show you last time, this is where you plug it up. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, but there's a charger that comes with it. And an auxiliary cord to plug it into your TV. It is a Bluetooth speaker. I forgot to show you guys how to link it up to your phone if you don't know how to. Basically, depending on what phone you have, first of all, you want to press and hold this button for about, I would say, 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to start getting red, and then that's where it's looking for that connection. So then you go into your phone, you go under Bluetooth. It should pop up as Flip, JBL Flip. You click on that, and then it should connect you if you have a smartphone. But yeah, this is about it. Yeah, I think the sun's about over. But I'll probably just do another video on some different songs, because I know not everybody listens to rap, but my battery's about to die, so I can't do as much as I would like. This is just one more part of this song.
Slap a bitch nigga out to get it. Bang slap a bitch nigga out to get it. Bang slap a bitch nigga out to get it. Bang slap a bitch.
See? Yeah. But anyways, that's the speaker. That's some of the sounds. It sounds really good. If you use one of those iPhone docks or whatever, this is better. I mean, depending on which one you bought. But that's about it, guys. I'm going way too long. But peace.